Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, I'm back with another recipe. You guys are going to like this. I do. And I got to try to remember how I do it. I think I'm going to do some of it different. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do. We're going to make some cornbread, okay? It's going to be super easy. And we're going to add some stuff to it, okay? So, yeah. Now, instead of using up all my canned cream of corn, I took some out of the fridge and I got a can of regular corn that I'm going to put in my food processor first. Because my sons don't like corn being in cornbread, whole pieces of corn. I know. You ain't got to tell me. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drain at least this one off. And this is the kind with the stuff in it. I can't remember what it's called. I don't know what it's called, y'all. I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm going to drain it off. Let me turn you guys around here. I'm going to bring it back over here and put it in my food processor. Now, we're not going to drain everything that I do. I'm going to add just a regular can of corn. And you guys, if you like the whole pieces of corn in there, don't do this part, okay? I think I'm going to drain this one off too. Or at least most of it. I'll just pour it right there into this container I just cleared out. So do that. And there's that. Alright, so I am going to chop this up. Get a spoon. I want to start around just a bit. I seriously do not want a whole bunch of whole pieces of corn. Do it one more time. Okay, that's good right there. We got a few hunks, but not a whole lot. Let me get a bowl out. Let me just use my cheap plastic one. And, ooh, there's stuff in this. I wonder how stuff got in that. Oh, never mind. I'm not going to use that. I think I need a bigger ones than that. There we go. We'll use that one. Okay. Now I'm just using Jiffy. I have 2 of them I'm going to use. Go ahead and pour them in there. That one. And that one. I have a can of Rotel I'm going to put in there. Yummy, yummy. And I'm just going to dump it in there, juice and all. There we go. Get some of this stuff out of my way. I'm going to put my corn in there. That. put my milk in, which is 2/3 cup. Put this over here. I'm going to put my eggs in. Let me get this over. 2 eggs. Now, you guys, if you want less corn, use less corn. If you don't want to use corn, don't use it at all. You can also put cooked chicken or whatever in here, whatever your little heart desires. And I have here about 8 ounces of cheese. We're going to put all that yumminess in there. Get it all off of there. We can't waste any, y'all. Okay. Oh, darn. Put that there. Get this out of the way. And there's that. Now we're just going to stir this. Let me bring you guys over here. Okay. And if I feel like it's not juicy enough, I'll add more of that corn juice in here. But I think it's fine. Let me look at that. Beautiful. Y'all know this is going to be some good stuff, okay? Y'all know it. And if you want to add like more tomatoes or like 2 cans of Rotel, you know, anything like that, hey, add it. Make sure you get it all incorporated really well. I'm just taking old regular spray stuff, putting it in my pan. It's the pan I'm using. You can use whatever you like to use for this, okay? I do different things every time, so I just wanted something quick and easy, you guys, for the video, so that's what you got. I have my oven preheating at 350, okay? I'm going to dump it in here. You see, there's some of it didn't get mixed in good. Okay, let's get it in there. And there's that. Spread it around to where it's as even as you can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. I cannot remember exactly, so I'm going to bake it and let you guys know afterwards just exactly how long it took. Okay? Put it in there. Put it in the middle of the rack. And let it roll. Okay? We'll be back. Alright, y'all. So it is ready to come out. Let me get it out. Look at that. Give me just a second. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And you guys, let's see what time it is. 3:26, so 26, 36, about 40 minutes, okay, is how long it was in there. 40 minutes. Oh, I'm worried it's not done yet. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't look like it's quite done, so let's put it back in there. When I felt of it, it felt like it was done, so it's going to be longer than 40 minutes, y'all. Let me turn this back on. I'm going to put it in there for about 5 to 10 more minutes. We'll be back. All right, you guys, I am pretty sure this is done now. So overall, it was 30, 40, about 40, 45 minutes. 50, 55 minutes. At 45, I think. You guys can check it and make sure you do it at the right time. You know about the time to do it, okay? So we got this beautiful golden brown cornbread here. And that's where I cut it a few minutes ago. And I think it's going to be soft no matter what you do. Cut it. Because of the ingredients. Now I got a ton of cheese in here. Okay, let's go this way. So it's definitely a moist cornbread. I'm just tearing this thing all up, y'all. Wow. I got so much cheese in there. It's cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Let me get a fork. Bring it up. It's going to try it too. All right. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Very, very cheesy. So when you take it out, it's not going to be the same consistency as cornbread, okay? That's pretty good. I wish I would have put 2 cans of Rotel in it, though. It'd have been much better. Much, much better. So, yeah. There you go, guys. You guys have an awesome day. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.